In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change location on Snapchat Maps. Let's get started. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. First, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Location Changer. After app appears, install it. Now launch it. You will be directed to this page. Head over to the option Change Location. Now search for the location that you want to set for your Snapchat. Once you do that, click on the option Change Location. Now you can close this, launch your Snapchat app. Navigate to the profile page, then click on settings icon. Here, head towards the option See My Location. Now enable for the option Ghost Mode. Note your current location. Go back to Location Changer, tap Start and watch the short ad. Once that finishes, your fake location is active. So this way you are able to change location on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.